In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your setup in OBS Studio by adjusting the dock settings, specifically how to manage the audio mixer. OBS Studio is a powerful and free open source software used for video recording and live streaming. It's a favorite among content creators, gamers, and professionals for its versatility and wide array of features. However, to make the most out of it, it's essential to customize the interface to best suit your workflow. First, what we'll do is head over to OBS Studio. If you haven't downloaded it yet, navigate to the official website and install it following the provided instructions. With OBS launched on your computer, you'll be greeted by its user interface, which consists of various panels or docks. The goal here is to tailor these docks to your preferences for seamless usability. Our focus today is on the audio mixer dock, which can sometimes take up valuable screen real estate depending on your streaming setup. By adjusting our view, we can create a more streamlined workspace, which is particularly useful if you are working on a smaller screen or need more room for other critical tools like scenes, sources, or a chat window. Next, we want to find the menu option labeled Docks. You'll see this at the top of the OBS Studio window. Click on Docks, and a drop-down menu will appear, listing all the docks you currently have visible in your layout. This menu allows for significant customization, letting you hide or show each element as needed. Inside this drop-down, you'll need to locate the entry for the audio mixer. This feature is vital for adjusting the levels of sound sources, but let's say you're looking to declutter your workspace temporarily or have an external mixer. You might not need the internal one visible all the time. To manage this, simply uncheck the audio mixer from the list. Doing this will immediately remove the audio mixer dock from your OBS interface. It's as straightforward as that. Your OBS Studio interface should now look cleaner, and you can focus more on the elements that are crucial for your stream or recording session. If at any point you need the audio mixer back, head back to the Docks menu and check it to have it reappear. By customizing your OBS interface, not only do you optimize your workflow, but you also enhance your overall streaming or recording experience. Remember, OBS is all about flexibility and enabling you to create content your way. I hope this quick guide helps you in managing your workspace more effectively. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.